So, now this day we're going to replace a new tire on the BMW. The rear tire is very worn off. So I'm going to drive to a company who replace my tire. The replacement is included the tire. Okay. Now let's start her up. That was not a problem. And we can now remove the brake parts here. So. We just replaced a new ventil and now we clean up the rim.
Zo, hier doen we een beetje klein met lang.
Ja.
Zo. Even kijken, dan draai ik de wiel zo rond.
En hij heeft haar tips gegeven. En zij is weer de vriendin van Jay-Z. Die hoort hem los. Ik wil niet
Twee, kom bij van.
2,8.
2,8.
We just add some weight on the rim to balance it. When the rim is not turning again, then we have no unbalance. Lik ik ook verderop?
Dat is wel eens verder. Ruim. Dit was niet nodig geweest.
Eigenlijk niet.
Ja, bij de ene moet hij los, de andere moet hij vast.
So, we almost done. So, this new tire is placed. So, new LED on it. The first 100 kilometer, let me drive, be very careful. There's a layer to protect the tire. Must be worn off before I can drive a little bit faster. So, go back to Almelo. So, we're back now. We drive back. We get some rain on the way home, and I can tell you it is no fun drive with a brand new rear tire on a new asphalt road with some rain. Very slippy. Was no fun, but I'm home. I made it. This is a new tire. I hope this tire will last long. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and see you later. Bye.